If you're experiencing crashing issues with Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Rocket League. Check the game's official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your hardware. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to crashes. Open the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. Navigate to the game library, right-click on Rocket League, and select the option to verify the integrity of game files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings can improve stability. Launch Rocket League, go to the settings menu, and reduce the resolution, texture quality, and other graphical options to see if it resolves the crashing issue. Step 5. Disable background applications. Some background applications can interfere with Rocket League. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially overlays, recording software, or other resource-intensive applications before starting the game. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.